Hello, guys. This is Gil from Subscriber. I have been working for weeks on the new storytelling assistant feature, which I'm really excited to tell you about. The reason why this is so important is because the inputs to Subscriber will give you better outputs the more that you focus and improve those inputs. And I want to help you do that because not everyone is an expert on using AI tools. Not everyone is an expert on storytelling frameworks and copywriting frameworks. And not everyone has the time to play around with this. So I can't wait to show you the new storytelling assistant. And I thought the best way to do that is to actually just walk through the process of creating a script with you. So what I'm doing right now is logging into a Subscriber and actually creating a script. So I'm doing a 1,600 word script. I've chosen educational, and the topic is learn about Subscriber's new storytelling upgrade. And so for the unique angle, I typed in some information about how the software has gotten an upgrade to its capabilities as a storyteller. And I give some more details about what I want to include. The audience goals, the goal is to help Subscriber customers and potential customers understand the new capabilities that are launched in the latest software update. Okay, so that's what I've got. Now I want to show you the script that I'm creating. This is the summary page that shows everything that we just put in. I'm going to go to the research tab here. And on the research tab, I've pre-filled it out with a little bit of information to save time. I've got the Subscriber website homepage in here so we can see, or so the AI knows a little bit about Subscriber itself. I've also got just this kind of standard text that I use in various places when I'm trying to explain what Subscriber is. I've got that saved. And I've got some details specifically about the storytelling assistant release. So I just opened this up and I just typed this information. It only took me a few minutes, just stream of consciousness. It didn't have to be perfect. It was just a little bit of information so that the AI knows what's included in this release. And then the last thing is I just dropped in a few customer testimonials that were mentioned recently on social media or in our testimonial site. Okay, so now with this research added, I'm going to go to this new frame tab. Previously, we had a framing tab, which had a bunch of viewer questions. However, I removed that because I think this is actually a stronger solution here. So on this frame tab, here's what we've got. We've got different storytelling frameworks. Now, these are proven storytelling frameworks that have been used to write novels, to write books, to write stories, and they really work. It's going to give you some suggestions about the different types of frameworks that you could use for your script. And you'll see that for each framework it's listed, it's got a new unique angle and a new audience goals. So this is basically upgrading what you've typed in to make it even better and framed a specific way. It gave me a few examples here: hero's journey, problem solution, results, before, after, bridge. If I wanted to, I could click more and see other options. These frameworks that it gives you are really going to be specific to what type of script you're creating. So if you're creating a marketing script, it's going to give you problem, agitate, solution, other copywriting frameworks that are popular. And it really depends on the research as well. So it's actually going to look at the research you add before deciding what storytelling frameworks work best. So after looking at these, I really like the problem, solution, results, so I'm going to choose that one. Now, when I go through my titles and my thumbnails and hooks, it's going to use that improved frame in order to make all of these suggestions better. And I happen to find one here that I liked. Let's see if I can find it again. This storytelling hack will 10x your YouTube views. Okay, so let's go with that one. And then I picked a thumbnail. I'm going to skip that for demonstration purposes. I've got opening hooks as well. Let's see. Did you know that your average YouTube video loses 50% of its viewers within the first minute? That one's okay. Let's see. Yeah, we'll go with that one. All right. Now we're going to draft our script. So what Subscriber is doing now is generating outline. You've seen this process before if you've used Subscriber. However, what's new is that you'll see that the outline that's generated is actually a bit more descriptive and detailed. The reason why is because I took a lot of those details out of the prompt that Subscriber sends to the AI, and now I'm giving you the power to customize that prompt. And so basically, this is the best of both worlds because you will get by default YouTube best practices in terms of how to structure your script, but you'll also have the ability to customize it to your needs even greater than you did before. So this is going to give you more control and more power. And you'll see that these outlines are much more detailed, whereas before it was only a few words. You can easily customize this and tweak it to get it exactly how you want it to be. Okay, so I'll click save. That's my first section. And you'll see it's actually using that framework that we chose. And another thing that you'll notice with this recent upgrade is that the transitions between sections are just a lot smoother now. There's less repetition in the scripts, and I've worked really hard to make the storytelling abilities of subscriber even better. The reason why this is so important is because you want to have great retention for your script. You want to have a script that people will, when they watch the video, watch till the very end. And I'm just committed to helping you do that. So hopefully this walkthrough of the new functionality is helpful. There's just one or two more things I want to show you here. So you've got these refresh research and refresh outline buttons. Now these are new. The refresh research button, it says this will regenerate the research reports for all script sections. It should only be used when new research sources are added on the research page or when significant changes are made to the instructions in the script sections. What do I mean by that? If you make some changes to what information that you want to mention in this section, and maybe that it's something that's from the research sources that you included, but it's not in this research report that was created for this section, and you just want to recreate this research, you can click that button there. The refresh outline button gives you the ability to basically wipe out everything that's on this page and start over. The reason why you might want to do that is if you are changing the frame significantly, if you're changing the opening hook significantly, if you are just making some major changes to the script and you just want to start over, you're allowed to do this once per script. So hopefully this is a way to save you some credits on having to start an entirely new script. There are tons of other little updates in this release. I think you're going to like it. Let me know. I've worked really hard to bring this to you, and there's a lot of really cool stuff coming in the near future. Can't wait to show you.